属相。
属相。
Europe has 12 constellations, while China has 12 animals, symbolizing the 12 branches used to designate years. The 12 animals finish a cycle every 12 years, and each of them guards 1 year. Chinese believe that those who were born in certain year would inherit the traits of the animal guarding that year. Rats are wise. And cattle are hardworking. Tigers are courageous. And rabbits are prudent. Dragons are rich and respectful. And snakes are romantic. Horses are fast. And the sheep are sincere. Monkeys are smart and flexible, while chickens are endowed with beauty. Dogs are faithful, and pigs are amiable. Do you know what's your symbolic animal denoting the year of your birth?